So if I were to go around and add in a text right here, let's say for example, I'm going to go around and type in over here in text tube right here. Nothing shows up. So let's just go around and select out black color right here so that it shows up. So now you can see that this has a certain text right here, a certain font applied to it. Let me just go around and resize it right here and then expand this out over here just like this. So this is what you have. It's larger. So here you can see that the font right here is Verdana currently, as you can see. So if I were to go around over here and expand this right here, then you can see that there's different fonts that you can select from. For example, you can go around and select out, let's say for example, Daddy Day right here, and that particular font is applied. Similarly, there's Granny Mary right here, which has more a stylish font, and there's Forky Must right here, and so forth right here. So there are different fonts that you can actually go around and select out as you like, and then you get the effect that you want. So that is what you have. So if I were to go around and resize this out, you can see that I can change around the text size over here, just like this. Or you can also go around onto the size section and change around the size of the text right here without changing the text box over here in the size section as well. And if you want to go around and change around the fill color, of course you can go around and select out flat colors right here, but you can also enter the hex code, and you can also take the color picker and then choose any sample of the color right here, or choose one of the options right here on the bottom. Over here you can also add in a gradient, as you can see right here. So you can go around, add in gradient colors right here and change around the gradients as well. So over here you can see the gradient points right here. So you can go around and select this out and choose another color as you wish right here, just like this. And that is what you have right here. So you can also work around with the opacity of a particular gradient right here, so that the gradient of that particular place is reduced, and then you get the direction, as you can see right here. You can change around the direction as well. Apart from that, you can go around and make the gradient radial as well. So you can go around and choose radial gradient over here, as you can see, just like this as well. So it's more like around the shape. You can also go around and add in patterns over here, as you can see right here, and choose the color of the pattern. So let's just go around and select out black right here, red, and you can see that you can go around, choose around the pattern right here. So simply go around, choose around the pattern right here, just like this, and there you go. You can apply out the pattern. And that is how you can go around and work around with the font size and fill option as you like right here, and change around the fill as per how you like right here. You can see that there's some interesting patterns over here, just like this as well. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.